We've all been there. Your phone buzzes, an unknown number flashes on the screen. Do you answer it? Is it an emergency, a delivery driver, an old friend, or is it a scammer trying to steal your information? The anxiety is real. But what if you never had to wonder again? Welcome to ClarityCheck. They are an online platform that provides comprehensive reverse phone lookup services. With just a few keystrokes, you can turn that mystery number into a complete detailed profile, bringing you instant relief. But they go way beyond phone numbers. Got a suspicious email? Enter it. Have a photo and want to know where that person appears across the internet, social media, or news platforms? Just upload the image. ClarityCheck aggregates data from millions of public records to give you the full picture. In seconds, we pull up the owner's real name, current and past addresses, social media profiles, property records, and more. It is safe, legal, and reliable information right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about your privacy. Here is a quick tip for protecting your personal information online. You can't protect what you don't know is out there. Have you ever wondered what employers, old dates, or complete strangers can find out about you? With ClarityCheck, you can monitor your own data visibility. See exactly what is publicly accessible about you so you can take charge of your digital footprint, your data, your control. Let me share a quick story. A few weeks ago, one of our users, let's call her Sarah, met someone online. They were hitting it off, but his digital presence seemed just a little bit off. He gave her a phone number but claimed he didn't use social media. Sarah decided to trust her gut and ran a quick search on ClarityCheck. Instantly, she got a detailed report. Turns out the name he gave her didn't match the public records, and the photo he used traced back to a completely different person's profile. ClarityCheck didn't just give her answers, it helped her avoid a dangerous scam. You might see other sites offering information, but many of those are risky sources that sell your data to the highest bidder, not them. ClarityCheck adheres to strict legal guidelines. While they are not a consumer reporting agency, they do guarantee one massive benefit. They do not share or sell your sensitive data. Your privacy is their priority. Are you ready to see what others can find out about you, or finally identify that unknown caller? They make it incredibly easy to get started. You can unlock your first detailed report today with their 7-day trial for just 99 cents. After that, choose from flexible weekly and monthly subscription plans that fit your needs. Get the full picture, take back your peace of mind. Head over to claritycheck.com today.